One. Well, here we go again. We got two small ones that has to align. Alright. That's the timing hole. This is how I'm looking at it. You see it? It's almost perfect. Well, this is how I'm looking at it. So if I'm looking at it like this, to me this is perfect. Now, this is the work being done here. This is that. All you're gonna have to do is pry this open. See this guy? This guy is not meant to be open off all the time. You can see a mark here. And And right here, there's a mark over there. Around here somewhere. Okay. Once it's at top dead center, the big hole is in the middle. You can see the half T from the other one. Now you're gonna have to check this. You should hear a little bit of vibration. Now my question is, why my exhaust is so goddamn big? I didn't set it up to be big like that, but this is way more than 5.005. This is like, I don't know what, but this is big, man. That must be why my exhaust was burning hot and I was losing compression. Okay, before I start the work, I would like to check to see if my gauge is proper. So this is a 0.005 millimeter. I'm gonna check it on the intake. It fits it. That is too big. When I first set it up, it was 0.004. So that tells me that it expanded. I'm gonna check a 0.006. This is my thickness. I don't know how it expands. I just don't understand this. Some things surprises you all the time. Alright, 0.006. So that should be from the 5 that I set up. If it's sliding in there, which I know it will, that means it's too much. Yep. And I still got more room. So I've come to a conclusion. Because the person I'm going to sell the scooter to, she's not going to ride it that much. And by the time that she do 500 miles, she might not even go far. And she's not going to rev it high. So I'm going to give it to her at 0.003 intake in millimeter and 0.004 on the exhaust. That way I know I do, you know, I did something good and no one gets hurt. 002. Come on. Damn it, yo. This is like stuck together or something. Nope, it's just one. Nah, it's not stuck. It's not one. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna do a 0.003 and 0.004 because she's not gonna ride it that much. Me, I ride it long distance and I rev it up high, but she ain't gonna do that much stuff. Tighten it just to make sure that I know what I'm gonna work with. Now I have to unscrew it with the 9mm and set it up and then recheck it. I'm gonna show you guys when I check it at 0.04 because that takes a lot of work to do. Alright, you're watching history in the making. Right now, I loosened this guy, the tappet, and this one. Right, this is the 0.003 filler gauge in there. If I try out the 0.04, it shouldn't fit. I did that already. See that? You always try out one size bigger. And this is 0.003. Fits with struggle, which is what we want. Now you just let it hang, so that way you have the clearance set up properly. Alright, so this is the guy that I want to hold it with. When I want to hold it, because I'm going to tighten it, and since this is a little bit loose and it's not directly very tight for that, I'm going to have to make sure turn it a little bit left until I feel resistance, and then tighten it slightly with my hand, like that. So first this one. And that one slightly. Again, slightly. Again. Can I move this? I can. Okay, I'm gonna put this in there. Try and move this. It's not budging. I'm gonna put the 0.04 in there. Beautiful, and that's history in the making. Okay, you're not off the hook yet. You know why? Because you want to make sure that your clearance is perfect. So you're gonna rotate the engine again. You're gonna find your top dead center again. Want that compression stroke? It's gonna be hard. That's what we want. That should be it. That's it. Slightly move this. Got a little tap it here. So we got the 0.3 and 0.4. We're gonna try the 0.4 first, see if it fits. It doesn't fit. We're gonna try the 0.3 now. Fits perfectly. Again, 0.4. It don't fit. 0.3, 0.003. You get with the idea. So this is set perfectly. Now we're gonna do the next one. Since this is down like that, might as well get it done like that, right? Yep. This time I want to show you the trick of it. The 9mm. This time my hand goes at the bottom because it's easier to reach that way. I untighten it. Right? Everything moves. So here we go. The way you do this, you're gonna have to make this hang somewhere. So 0.004, which is here, goes right here, like so. Alright? And then you slightly tighten it with your hand. Your hand is doing the main work. It's too tight, you loosen it, and you loosen the top. You tighten it, loosen it, tighten it, loosen it. You get the idea. Now that it's moving freely, so you're gonna have to check this one if it's going up and down on it. So if it's not going up and down on it, then you check the 0.005. See if it fits. It fits. That tells me it's too big. So here we go again. 0.004. Unscrew. First you unscrew that, and then you screw this one. Right? And you screw that one. Let go. Fill it. Put it there. 0.004 fits. Try 0.005. Is it me or it's not fitting anymore? That's what I want. Beautiful. Now that you got it to fit at 0.004, you have to hold it into place. Put it back. Make sure something holds it into place. May not be good because I didn't feel it. Need to feel it. Nope, it's good. Double check with the 5. Yep, it's good. So we go back to the 0.004. Let it hang on that little stuff that we had for it. Right? This time we're gonna tighten it. It's a little bit tight. We put this there like so. That's unscrew. Let's rescrew. That's it. To me, this is good. Can I move this freely? I can. Is this working? It is. Is it bigger than 0.005? Let's double check. It isn't. So we got one more question to ask.
Okay, you now have done the intake and the exhaust. Before I showed you how to double check the intake, and now I'm showing you how to double check the exhaust, which has shown previously before. So technically I could have easily deleted that footage. It's just that, the video is not complete without it. Now it's fast forwarded a little bit by 2x. That me here using the filler gauge. Okay, so after you finish time the engine, double check the intake 0.003 millimeter, double check the exhaust 0.004 millimeter as shown in this video. You have to clean around the cylinder head with a lacquer cleaner. And that's I fast forward this as much as I can because that video is way too long now. So everything else from that point on is going to be fast forwarded, which should be simple.